Hello designers, this is Rebecca, and today I'm going to show you how to color correct and crop your images for submitting your sketchbook notes. So I brought in an image and I am just going to go up to Image, Adjustments, and choose Levels. So that is up along I'm in Photoshop. This is up along the main navigation menu that runs along the top there, Image, Adjustments, and Levels. Then from there, with this levels pop-up window, I like to choose the little white eyedropper icon there. And then you're just going to search for the lightest area on your paper. So I'm thinking it's going to be somewhere around here. Woo, and that is bright. If you don't like what happened, just hit Command Z to undo and then hit another part so we can just see all the details there. Great. I'm getting a little bit of blowout along the top, but that's totally fine. As long as I can see all the details in the sketches and it looks nice and clean. And then I'll hit OK to accept that. Then I'm going to go to the crop tool on the toolbar there. It's the fifth tool down. And if you want to, you can just click and drag to draw a crop area along the whole image, or you can hit Command and click one time to bring in your bounding box around the whole entire image there, and then you can just move in your sides this way, whichever you'd like to do is fine, and then just hit return to commit. So now I've cropped out the edge. I can see a tiny bit over here on this side, so if you want to get like a really fine, let me zoom in so I can show you what I'm talking about. I see a little bit of table along the side there. There's a couple ways to handle this. Still using the crop tool, you can drag across, but notice how the crop tool wants to snap to the edge. To override that snapping, you're going to use the Control key. That's the key to the left of your Alt or Option key, and that's going to force it to stop snapping, and then you can just hit return once you get it where you like it. The other thing is I'll hit Command Z to go back a step. Ooh, let me go forward, edit, redo crop. Great. The other thing you can do is go to Image and choose Canvas Size. So image size is going to adjust the entire dimensions of the image, whereas canvas size is going to allow you to enlarge the entire area that it's in or to crop it. And so since this side is going to be adjusting my width, I'll go into the width section here and I'll just shave off a few pixels, like maybe 6. So I'll change that 6 to a 0 in the width here. But then over here in the anchor section, I'm going to choose to only shave off on the right side there, not shave off from the center, and then hit OK. And it's going to say this is going to crop your canvas and make it smaller. Are you okay with that? And just hit proceed. And now that also shaves off the edge. So whichever way you want to go, you can do that. Then save your file. Don't save it as a JPEG. You can save it as a PSD file or save it as a PNG. Bing, and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching.